All right, YouTube. So Paul and Daisy here, day 26. Friday, the market's up. Cryptos are up. Keto. I did a little. I didn't eat breakfast, and then I didn't eat till lunch. After that, we did my morning video. Daisy went for her walk, and then I had to go do some banking for my parents. And when we got back from that, I was able to. We did some yard work here, and it's pretty cool here. Daisy is out here and she just loves chasing the lizards. I don't know what it is about it, but she's just a lizard chasing little schnauzer. Anyway, she loves it. Anyway, she was out there while we were trimming the bushes. You know, we're still on track for we're gonna try and sell the house here. I think it'll be just like the stock market. When this thing opens back up, it'll crash a little bit, but then it'll come right back up just like the market has. It's unbelievable what the market has done. Anyway, I took Daisy for her walk, and then we had a project for folded metal. It was super cool. We got the powder coaters want us to make these little tabs for them, and we're able to, because we're using the laser and not stamping them like they normally get, we're able to put their initials in them. So I'll show you guys a sample of that. We should get that done Saturday. So super cool. Anyway, not sure what's going to happen here, but we're going to keep moving forward with the sale of the house and just see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna sell, but if it doesn't, we have a plan B, and we'll just stick right here, and hopefully my job holds out for at least 3 or 4 more years. And we're just right now, our goal is to get Beverly to Social Security, which she's very close. And if we can get there and get that little bit of income coming in, it could be huge for us, and we could do other things and look at other things as long as we have, with zero debt. So we're gonna attack the car like a vengeance. We went and paid our Lowe's. We didn't have any credit card on Lowe's, and we just used like a 12-month interest-free thing, and we went and paid that off yesterday. And so now all we have left is the car and the house. So we're gonna attack the car with a vengeance and get it paid off as quickly as we can. That won't mean that I'm backing off of my stocks and my crypto, but I'll be, reallocating and what money we do have, we'll take a certain percentage of it and it'll go to paying the car off, which we don't owe that much on the car. And I could write a check right now and just pay it off, but we're gonna do that because it was like a 2% interest. So there's not even that much money. And for me, it's not about the interest, or it's not about paying the payments. It's about the interest. It's about when you look at your monthly bills and you say, hey, I just gave away $400 or $500 or $600 a month in interest to a bank when I could have been using that to invest in my future, in cryptos, in the stock market. And so it's important to me right now to take advantage of every single penny that I can and invest it wisely. Anyway, Paul Bates, Daisy, we love you guys. Peace out. And we got a new computer system. Our computer system crashed yesterday, so I'm not sure exactly what's going to happen here. I got my laptop fired up, and I got 2-3 monitors hooked up to it, and that's about the best I can do with the laptop. Anyway, we'll see what happens here. New software, and we'll check it out and see what it does. Paul Bates, peace out. Love you guys. Be good. Have a safe weekend. And it looks like they're lightening up a little bit, but practice your social distancing. Nobody wants the coronavirus. I can promise you that. Bye.